We will be making rice pudding on the stove today. I am pouring a liter of water into a pot. When the water heats up, let's add 1 cup of rinsed rice to it. Let's stir it from time to time until the rice softens. When the rice softens, I am adding a liter of milk to the pot. After adding a tablespoon of wheat starch to it, I will be stirring it until it dissolves. Then I am adding sugar to it. When that dissolves too, let's leave it to simmer for a few more minutes. Now it's time to take it off the heat. Our delicious milk pudding is ready now. Let's now transfer it to bowls and wait for them to cool down. When they do, I will put them in the fridge and serve it when cold. If you would like, you can sprinkle cinnamon on the milk pudding. It tastes great with cinnamon. Please do not forget to like and share our video. Enjoy!